Calling all YouTubers, calling all YouTubers. I need your help. It's desperate. It is desperate. I bought this thing and it came yesterday and I cannot figure out how to get it to work. I've got everything together. It does this thingamajig. Alright, but the thing it will not do is it will not thread the string from the bobba. Please help a brother out. What am I doing wrong? So we got the string coming into this hole. It goes down this direction into this, into this tightener. Back through, over, through the loop, up in, and in this thing that you can't see at the moment. That thing, then down the tube, and then through here, and then through the needle. So I'm pretty sure I got all of that right. What am I doing wrong, guys?